Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this guide, I will show you how to integrate Todoist with Microsoft Outlook in 2025. So this thing is perfect for syncing your tasks directly from your inbox. So let's jump right in. First of all, we need to open your web browser and you need to go to Todoist for Outlook integration page. So it will be todoist.com/outlook. So I will put the link of it down in the description as well so that you would be landed on this page. Now once you are on this page, you just have to simply either click on download for Windows. This way you will be able to download Todoist app in your PC, or you can even just click on this browser tab and then you will be landed in your web browser, where you can basically add the web extension if you want to use Outlook in your web browser. For Outlook app like mine, you can simply download and install Todoist application so that you could see the Todoist icon in your Outlook app. So once you launch it, in the right hand section you will see Outlook icon over here. So you just have to simply search for Todoist here, and now you need to first of all sign up in your Todoist account. Now you can just turn your email into Todoist task and you can set the due dates directly. You can even add them to the specific projects and you can set the priorities. Basically, this is how you have integrated your Todoist with your Outlook. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like this video and share it with others, and subscribe to the channel for more professional productivity tips. Thanks for watching.